In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build reports on Salesforce. We'll walk through creating a custom report type so you can control exactly which records and fields are available when your team builds reports. I'll keep things clear and practical, and by the end, you'll be ready to publish a report type that works the way you expect. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Look to the top right and click the gear icon. From that menu, open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the setup area where administrators configure features and data access. If your page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Once setup opens, use the quick find search bar on the left. Type the word report. From the filtered results, select report types. This page lists all standard and custom report types available in your org. Report types define the starting dataset for reports, what objects are included and which fields can be used, so choosing or creating the right one is essential for accurate analytics. On the Report Types page, click New Custom Report Type. Now you'll define the foundation of your report. Choose the primary object that holds the core records you want to analyze, such as opportunities, accounts, or a custom object. Give your report type a clear, user-friendly label and a concise description that explains when to use it. Pick a category so users can find it easily when they create a new report. For deployment status, select Deployed when you're confident it's ready for general use. Otherwise, keep it in development while you fine-tune. Next, specify any related objects you want to include. This determines how records are joined, whether your report shows primary records with related records only, or includes primary records even when no related records exist. Choosing the right relationship prevents missing data or unintended gaps in your results. Before proceeding, double-check that your selections reflect the questions your report needs to answer. When you're done, click Next. You'll see a preview of the report type. Use this to confirm the primary object, related object relationships, and the available fields align with your requirements. If something looks off, go back and adjust the setup so your users don't run into limitations later. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your custom report type is now available to use when building reports. As a final tip, document the purpose and ideal use cases in the description so teammates pick the right starting point. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.